Hello, I'm Jen, and this is your Daily Makeup Minute for April 11th, 2019. We have a teaser for the upcoming collab between Plouise and MMMMitchell. The mind boggles. Jay Kissa posted yet another upcoming product from ColourPop, Loose Pigments. Can you keep up with all the releases? Jouer has launched its new pressed powders in 6 shades from fair to deep on their site now, $30. L'Oreal introduces a new shadow infused with oils and saturated pigments called Color Queen, coming soon in 36 shades with matte, satin, and glitter finishes. Holo alert! Sarazaar will be releasing this holo dry pigment, yes, real holo, in May. Seen here mixed with medium for application, but still amazing. Benefits precisely my Brow and Goof Proof are now in 12 shades. You can shop the 4 new shades at Sephora, Ulta, Beautylish, and more, $24. And finally, BeautyBlender has released their sponge in a limited edition canister and crowned it Queen. Now you can get the BeautyBlender Queen Sponge, the Blender Defender, and a 30ml blend cleanser all in one bundle for $32 with code QUEEN. That's it for now. No Makeup Minute tomorrow, as I'll be headed to IMATS in NYC, and our full-length weekly newscast, What's Up in Makeup, will be returning next Sunday.